Hey everybody, I don't have much time. I'm trying to do this quick. This is the lock that I took apart earlier. I put spool pins in it, 4 of them. Try to pick it real quick. There's the key on it. False set. Set 1. Can't pick which one needs to be set. Might be the back one.
It was so embarrassing. The whole town's laughing at me, and on all days, Ford just appointed me the head of the new Tactical Urban Response Division. Nancy, wake up.
I'm too tired. Do whatever you want. Just don't get it in my hair.
Wake the kids and get them in the car. You have 90 seconds.
Dan, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Where are we going?
I can no longer live in this town. Smith said, damn, there's no turning back.
Oh my God!
I see him, I see him.
Dan, we've been driving all night. Do you even have a plan?
Yes, to get as far away from my shame as possible.
Can't we just go home?
Yeah, if we can go back in time. Can you do that, Haley? Can you smoke that much weed? Well, if you see me back there, tell me don't jump in the pool. Don't jump in the pool.
The spool's making these locks a lot harder to pick.
Well, I guess sometimes a hole in a men's room stall is just a hole in a men's room stall.
The world needs to know.
You can barely get that last one. It don't need to be set too high.
Hey, you guys are truckers. Want to hear a horribly racist joke?
Hey, where I come from, we don't judge a man by the color of his skin, or his religion, or even the mistakes of his past.
Excuse me, friend. Where are you from exactly?
Small town in Indiana called...
I'll get it here in a second.
You know, we don't have any swimming pools, and no one ever recounts any swimming pools
Got it.
in the store. But what we lack is places to swim.
I'm not gonna pop that.